When two dice are thrown, the probability of getting a number always greater than 4 on the second dice is. So what is the die? This is the die which we play, which we use for playing that Ludo, snakes and ladders, everything. So what is the peculiarity of this? The opposite faces always total up to 7. This is a peculiarity. Okay. When you throw a die, what is the possible outcome? See here, any one of the 6 faces can come. So possible outcome is 6, right? When you throw two such dice at the same time, what is the possible outcome? 6 here and 6 here, both can be 6, means any face can come on any of the dice. So the answer is always 6 square. If you throw 3 dice, then what is the possible outcome? 6, 6, 6, 6 cube. If you throw 4 dice, it's like that. Okay. So when 2 dice are thrown, number of outcomes equals to 6 square. See, I have shown it over here for 2 dice. This is dice number 1, this is dice number 2. Okay. So what all can come? 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2. You go on up to 6 over here. Similarly, up to 6 over here. Okay. So what we want? Number always greater than 4. So what are the total outcomes? Total outcomes are 36. These are the 36 ones. 6 here, 6 here, 36. And what we want? Greater than 4. Means it should be 5 and 6 on the second die only. Means we'll consider this as say first and this as second. Okay. See, this is dice 2 and this is dice 1. So we want greater than 4 on dice 2. So it should be 5 and 6 on dice 2 only. On 1 it can be anything, right? So what are the possible outcomes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 12 outcomes, right? On dice 2. So probability is what? Required upon total. Required is what? 12. How many possible? 36 total, right? So 1 by 3 is the answer. Next, there are 100